Sukhdev children, beta in last period we have completed up to the exercise 7.1. Today we are going to learn exercise 7.2. In that exercise I taught you the like terms, unlike terms also. Here in this question we have to use all those things. What is that? Add the following expression: 14x plus 5 and 10x plus 5. Add means beta plus. So how you will do? 14x plus 5 add means plus 10x plus 5. Then next step, this will be your step 1. Okay, then in step 2 you will do collect like terms. You know now what are like terms? Collect like terms. Like terms means whose variables are same. You see that 14x and 10x are like terms, so you will write that 14x is also plus and then plus 10x. Okay, and then numerical values plus 5 or plus 5. Okay, so you can see that 14x and 10x, 14 plus 10, it will be 24x, plus 5 plus 5, 10. So this will be your answer. It is so simple. Okay, now see that the B part of this question. See that B part is same as the A part of the question. That's why I am leaving this part for your practice, so that you can, with the help of this part, you can do this part yourself. Now come to the C part of the question. Beta, 19x square plus 12x plus 12 and this 7x square plus 10x plus 13. How you will do? 19x square plus 12x plus 12. Add means again plus sign in between both the terms. So 7x square plus 10x plus 13. Next step will be beta collection of like terms. Collection of like terms. So see that what are the like terms? 19x square and 7x square, their variables are same, so you will write them together. 19x square plus 7x square, then next plus 12x and plus 10x, and then numerical value plus 12 and plus 13. Okay, now see that 19 plus 7, 26x square. Add them now simply. 12 plus 10, 22 plus 22x plus 3 plus 2, 5, or 3 plus 1, 4, 45. So this will be your answer. Okay, now come to the D part of the question. See that now minus 13x square minus 13x minus 10 and 19x square minus 19x minus 5. First of all, write first term, first expression, 13x square minus 13x minus 10. Okay, and then add means plus beta. Then second term, 19x square minus 19x and minus 5. Okay, now collect like terms. Okay, now see that beta, 13x square and 19x square. 13x square having minus sign, minus 13x square, and then 19x square having plus sign, 19x square. Okay, then second like term is minus 13x and minus 19x. Write them together, minus 13x and minus 19x. Okay, then minus 10 and minus 5. Now see that here rule of integer will be applied. Minus and plus both are opposite sign, so two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract 19 minus 13 beta, 6. Okay, and greater value having what sign? Plus. So it will be plus 6x square. Okay, now see that for these two like terms, which sign they are, they both have same sign. So two same sign number are added. So add them. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 plus 1, 2, or 1, 3. And both of them having minus sign. That's why minus 32x. Again, these are of two same sign number are always added with their sign. So add them. 15, and what sign they both are having? 15. So this will be your answer. So very simple question are there. If you are have very clear concept your chapter integer, then you will not have any problem, because all those things we are applying here in this chapter. Okay, now come to the next part of the question. Next part, that is E part. See that now beta, first expression is 4x square minus 6x plus 7, then add means plus sign. Second term minus 19x square minus 15x and minus 18. Why I am doing this bracket beta? Because here in first term minus sign is there. Okay, so I have used bracket. If plus will be there, then without bracket we can write it, but in first term minus sign is there, that's why I am using bracket. Now see that beta, 4x square simplified minus 6x plus 7, plus into minus beta, minus, plus into minus, minus 19x square, here also plus into minus, minus 15x and minus 18. Okay, now collect like terms. So like terms are, you can see that 4x square and minus 19x square are like terms, their variables are same. So write that 4x square and along with sign you will write minus 19x square. Okay, then second like term is 6x and 15x. So minus 6x and minus 15. Whenever you are taking out a term, at that time you will, along with the sign you will take it, plus 7 and minus 18 in this way. Okay, now see that here plus sign will be there, two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract that, 9 minus 4, 15. Greater number having what sign? Minus. So minus 15 x square. Okay, and two same sign number are always, because when we are collecting na like terms we can add or subtract. I taught you in the last period. Okay, okay, if the two terms will have, two or more terms will have same sign, no, they are like terms, at that time we can add them or subtract them, and according to the rule of integers we will add or subtract. Now see that two same sign number. Okay, and they are why we are doing this operation? Because both of them having variable x. Now see that two same sign number, add them, 15 plus 6, 21. What both of them having sign? Minus 21x. Okay, now two opposite sign numbers are subtracted. 18 minus 7 beta, 11. What greater number having what sign? Minus. So this will be your answer. So very simply or easily you can do, but be very careful and aware in the rule of integer. Okay, addition and subtraction rule of integer, or how we are opening the bracket, or means multiplication rules of integer. Okay, now come to the F part of the question. See that now 13x square minus, this is your F part. So how you will do? Minus 13x square minus 5x minus 14. Addition you are doing, so plus, add second bracket now, minus 14x square minus 20x and plus 8. So how you will do? Minus 13x square minus 5x minus 14, plus into minus, minus 14x square, then plus into minus 20x and plus 8. Means their sign will be not changed. Okay, in addition case their sign will not be changed while we will open the bracket. Now see that collect like terms. So how you will do? This x square and x square terms are same, so write them along with their sign, minus 13x square and minus 14x square. Okay, then second like term is x and x, so minus 5x and minus 20x. You are seeing that along with the sign I am taking them. Then numerical value 14 minus 14 and plus 8. Okay, now see that these two are like term, so simplify them. Two same sign number are added, so add them. 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, with their sign means minus 27x square. Here also they both have same sign, so add them. 20 plus 5, 25, and along with their sign means whatever sign they are having, 25x. And two opposite sign, minus 14 and plus 8, two opposite sign number are subtracted, so subtract 14 minus 8, 6. Greater number having what sign? So minus 6. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now in the same way, G part of the question. G part of the question is same as just now I was doing D, E and F part. So this part you will do in your homework yourself. Okay. This part you will do in your homework. Now come to the H part. See that now beta, H part of the question. Okay. Now see that beta, this is your question now. So how you will do? Okay, this is your which part of the question? H part. Now see that minus 10 x to the power 6 plus 18 x cube plus 13 plus 7x to the power 6 minus 7x square plus 17. Now what you will do? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Okay. So collect like terms means you can see that x to the power 6 and x, their variables are same. It means they are like terms. So along with sign you just pick up the terms. Minus 10 x to the power 6 plus 7 x to the power 6. Okay. Then plus x cube, and here x cube, second term is x cube, one term is x cube, and just wait, and another term is x square, means along with x cube no similar term is there, so it will remain as plus 8 in x cube, and x square term minus 7x square. So they cannot be added or subtracted. These two terms cannot be added or subtracted because their variables are different. Okay, here cube is there and here square is there, so they cannot be like terms, so we cannot subtract them. So plus 13 or plus 17, so they will remain same, no problem. If like they are not like terms, so no addition or subtraction can be done there. Now just see, only this 10x to the power 6 and 7x to the power 6, these are like terms. So apply the rule of integer. Two opposite sign numbers are subtracted, so subtract them. 10 minus 7, 3. But the greater number having what sign? Minus 3x to the power 6 it will become. Okay. Then plus 18x cube. Now further addition and subtraction in these terms will not possible, so they will remain same, no problem. Plus 7 plus 3, 10, 1 or 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 30. So this will be your answer. Now see that beta, I and J part are same as just now we were doing. So these two part you will perform in your homework. Okay, I and J you will do yourself. Okay, because these are same as C, D and E part or F part. Just now we have done them na. Now I and J will be your homework. Now afterwards K part I am doing. Now see that beta, in K part this time you have to given 3 terms. Process will be same as we were doing earlier. Okay, and simple addition we have to do. See that how we are doing. Minus 7x square plus 14x plus 17, then plus sign, another expression 19x square minus 6x minus 20. Then next expression, it is having minus sign, that's why I am using bracket here. Minus 14x square minus 18x and plus 20. Okay, now collect like terms. Collect like terms. See that now what it will become. Like terms means 7x square, 19x square. No, before this don't collect like terms. Just one more line will come. Minus 7x square plus 14x plus 17, then plus 19x square minus 6x minus 20. Then write this expression same as. Okay, minus 14x square minus 18x or plus 20. Now the term will line will come, collect like terms, collect like terms. Okay, now collect like terms means 7x square, 19x square and minus 4. Along with sign write them, minus 7x square plus 19x square and minus 14x square. Okay, now 14x, 6x and 18x plus 14x minus 6x minus 18x. Okay, now numerical values, plus 17 minus 20 and plus 20. You can see that plus 20 and minus 20 will become cancel. Now see that here. Now solve them step by step. First solve these two terms. 19 minus 7. Two opposite sign number are always subtracted. So subtract them. 19 minus 7 beta 12. So what the greater number having what sign? Plus. So plus 12x square. And this minus 14x square. Okay. Same way first deal with these two terms. Two opposite sign number are subtracted. 14 minus 6 beta 8. Okay, and greater number having what sign? Plus, so plus 8x and then minus 18x or plus 17. Only this much will done. Now see that still they are having like terms, so they can be subtracted. The two opposite sign number are subtracted. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Two opposite sign number subtracted. So 14 minus 12 beta 2. What greater number having what sign? Minus. So minus 2x square. Okay. Then here 2 opposite sign. Here plus 8x is there. Here minus 18x is there. So two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract 18 minus 8 beta 10. Greater number having what sign? Minus. So it will be minus 10x and plus 17, or this will be your answer. So see that how easily we can solve them. Okay. Now come to the beta L part. Beta see that now in L part 20x square plus 19x plus 17. Nothing is given that what you have to add along with this. So what will be? This will be answer yourself because nothing you have to add. Okay. So this will be answer yourself. Now come to the beta M part of the question. See that now minus 14x to the power 7, 19x to the power 6. Okay. Just write them first. Minus 14x to the power 7 plus 19x to the power 6 minus 17. And means what you have to do? Addition. So plus will come there in between of them. X to 5x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 or plus 18. Now see that here x to the power 7, x to the power 6, x to the power 4, x to the power 5 is there. So no like terms are there. So you just write them in simple way. Okay, if no like terms is there, no problem, you just write them, but write the means powers in decreasing way. First minus 14x to the power 7 will come, then after 7 what comes? 6, then plus 19x to the power 6, then after 6 what comes? 5. So plus 5x to the power 5 and minus 10x to the power 4. Okay, in this way we are writing algebraic expression. Now come to the numeric value, minus 17 and plus 18. Minus 17 and plus 18. These are like terms. They are constant terms, so they can be added or subtracted. So what rule? Two opposite sign numbers are subtracted. With subtract them, 18 minus 7, 1. What the greater number having what sign? Plus. So it will be plus 1. Now rest of the terms, copy them. Minus 14 x to the power 7 plus 19 x to the power 6 plus 5 x to the power 5 and minus 10 x to the power 4, and this will be your answer. Okay, this will be your answer. So in this way beta, N part, N and O part of this question you will do yourself. So in these both of the question, as I have done M part, N part, where there was no like terms, in these questions also same situation is there. So you know how to deal with these situation now. So these two part you will do yourself. Okay, now the last part of the addition, that is P part, and that I am going to do that one. Now see that beta, P part of the question, 5x to the power 6. So write them, 5x to the power 6 plus 9x cube minus 6x. Then here minus sign is there. So you, whether you directly write them, minus 9x to the power 7 minus 20x square or minus 6x, because plus sign is there. So if we will multiply, then also same thing will come. Okay, now you see that x to the power 6, x to the power 3, x to the power 7, x to the power 2. No, means no like terms are there. So we will, what we will do, directly we will write them. So first write that, or whether you just write in the same way, 5x to the power 6 plus 9 x to the power 3 minus 9 x to the power 7 and minus 20x square. Okay, then you can see that minus 6x and minus 6x, these are two like terms. So you just write them together, minus 6x and minus 6x. So they can be, they both have same sign. So what we will do, add them. 6 plus 6, 12. What sign they are having? Minus. So put minus 12x, and rest of the terms like them, write them in this way. Okay, first which power you will write? 9x to the power 7. So what sign it is having? Minus. So minus 9x to the power 7. After that 7, what comes? 6. So plus 5x to the power 6, plus 5x to the power 6. After that plus 9x cube, plus 9x cube, and then minus 20x square, minus 20x square and minus 12x, and this will be your answer. Okay, so up to here beta, your addition, you have seen that how much long question number 1 was there, and in the same way question number 2 is also there, and their maximum things are similar, but only one thing is changed, and that we are going to do the question number 2 now. See that how we are going to do the question number 2 now. Now see that beta, question number 2, solve the following subtraction problem. And what we will do in subtraction problem, here minus sign already is given. So how we will do, 6x plus 14 minus, okay, 9x plus 5. This is your question. So if before bracket minus sign, before bracket minus sign will change, all the sign inside the bracket, Now see that you have seen here minus sign is there. Previously we were, whenever the minus sign you are having confusion, na, you may have confusion that previously whenever plus sign was there, and if minus sign was there, I was using bracket, but due to plus sign there will be no change in the internal sign. But if the minus sign will be there, then the internal bracket sign will be changed while we will open the bracket. See that how first bracket will remain same, 6x plus 14, and due to this plus 14 minus sign, here it was plus, so it will become minus 9x. Okay, and this plus 5 will become beta minus 5. Okay, now collect like terms. Next step will be collect like terms, and see that now 6x and minus 9x, write them together, 6x minus 9x, then plus 14 or minus 5. Okay, now beta 6 is plus, so two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract 9 minus 6 beta 3. Greater number having what sign? Minus. So minus 3x. Here also two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract 14 minus 5, 9. What is greater number having what sign? Plus. So this will be your answer. Minus 3x plus 9 will be your answer. Okay. Now see that the second part of the question. See that beta B part is same as the A part. So you just follow the steps of the A part as I have done, and you will complete this part yourself. Now come to the C part of the question. Okay, and what is that? 19x square plus 9x plus 16. You have seen minus inside the, outside the bracket minus sign is there. So what you will do? Second bracket, write that second bracket, internal sign will change. Okay, second bracket internal sign will change. Here it is plus, it will become minus. It is plus, become minus. It is plus, it will become minus. Okay, and first bracket sign will remain same. This is the step of the subtraction. Now see that. So here I have changed the sign, minus 5x square, minus 12x and minus 7. Okay, now what you will do? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Next step will be beta, collect like terms. So 19x square and 5x square. Write them together. 19x square and minus 5x square. Then rest of the steps are same as we were doing in addition. Plus 9x and minus 12x plus 16 and minus 7. Okay, now see that 19 minus 5 beta, 14, plus value is having greater sign, so it will be plus 14x square. So 9x minus 12x plus 2 opposite sign number, here plus and here minus, 2 opposite sign number are subtracted. So 12 minus 9 beta, 3, greater number having what sign? Minus, so minus 3x. Okay, and here again plus 16 and minus 7, 2 opposite sign number are subtracted. So 16 minus 7 beta, 9. What greater number value having what sign? Plus, so it will be plus 9. So this will be your answer. Okay, now come to the D part of the question. Again see that. So what you will do? Outside of the bracket minus sign is there. So second, this is first expression and this is second expression. So what you will do? Change internal sign of second bracket. Write this step, that's why you will never forget this. Okay, second bracket. Now see that beta, first write that this minus is there, so you just write it plus x 9x square. And you why they are becoming minus into minus plus, again minus into minus plus, here minus sign is there, so it will become plus 11x. Okay, it will become plus 11x. Here plus is there, so due to minus it will become minus, plus into minus minus, so minus 12 it will be. Okay, now first bracket will not have any change, so it will be remain as same, minus 9x square minus 4x and minus 4. Now what will be next step? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Now see that what are like terms? Minus 9x square and plus, write them together first. 9x square minus or plus 9x square. Okay, then minus 4x is like terms, along with which one? Plus 11x. Okay, then minus 4 and minus 12. Now see that minus and plus, both the values have same variables, they are similar term, so they will become cancel. Okay, like term. Now see that beta, minus 4x and plus 11x, two opposite sign number are subtracted. So 11 minus 4, 7. What greater number having what sign? Plus, so plus 7x. Now two same sign number are added, to 12 plus 4, 16. What sign they both having? Minus 16. So this will be your answer. Okay, now see that the next part of the question. See that from this subtract to this. From always comes first, you know. From means this. From this you have to subtract this one. So write this one first. 19x square plus 11x plus 15. What you have to do? Subtract. For subtract, what sign you will use? Minus. So second expression you will write inside the bracket, minus 5x square minus 6x minus 6. Now what will be our first step? Change internal sign of second bracket. So see that here minus and minus, here minus sign is there, so you make it plus 5x square. Here minus is there, plus 6x and plus 6. Why we are doing? You just try to understand this also. Minus into minus beta plus, minus into minus again plus, minus into minus again plus. And first expression will no, there will be no change in that expression. So you will write that as same 19x square plus 11x or plus 15. Now what will be next term? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. So what are like terms? 19x square and 5x. Write them together. 19x square or plus 5x square. Then plus 11x and plus 6x or plus 15 or plus 6. All of them, they are having plus sign. So you directly add them. 19 plus 5 beta, 24x square. Okay. Plus 11 plus 6 beta, 17x. Or plus 15 plus 6, 21. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. See that this is F part. So what will be our first step? Change internal sign of second bracket. Okay. So this is our step number first. So change here minus, it will become plus 20x square. Here plus is there, so it will become minus 17x. Here minus is there, so it will become plus 12. Or how they are becoming? Minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, in this way it comes. And first bracket you will write as same minus 18x square plus 7x minus 14. Now what will be? Collect like terms. Collect beta like terms. Okay. Now see that 18x square and 20x square are same. So write them together. Minus 18x square or plus 20x square. Plus 20x square. Okay. Then 7x and minus 17x plus 7x and minus 17x and then minus 14 and plus 12. Okay. See that plus 7x minus 17x minus 14 or plus 12. These are like terms. We have written together. Okay. Now come to that. Two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract them. 20 minus 18 beta. How much beta? 20 minus 18, 2. Greater number having what sign? Plus 2. So plus 2x square. Now see that. Two opposite sign number. Here plus is there. Here minus is there. Two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract them. 17 minus 7, 10. Greater number having what sign? Minus. So it will be minus 10x. Okay. Then two opposite sign number. Here also minus and plus are there. So 14 minus 12 beta, 2. What greater number having what sign? Minus 2. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Now see that beta. Subtract this from this. I told you during the time of integers and during the time of fraction also how you have to do the subtraction. Okay. From means this will come as a first expression. You will write this in a first position. So write that from means from this number you have to subtract this one. Okay. So write this one as first minus 6x square. This is only the point where you have to focus. The children are always making mistake. They are writing this minus this. That is wrong beta. From means subtract 3 from 7. So what do you understand? 3 minus 7 or 7 minus 3? Obviously 7 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 7. So what is the meaning of this? 7 minus 3. That's why from always comes first. Subtract 3 from 7. I told na from 7. It is coming in the second position. But while you are subtracting, what you are writing? 7 minus 3. That's why from means, if from is there, means that number comes in the first position. So 6x square plus 19x. 6x square plus 19x plus 19. Okay. Then subtraction, what sign comes? Minus. Then keep the first expression inside the bracket. Minus 10x square plus 16x minus 15. Now beta rest of the procedure is same. What you will do? Change internal sign of second bracket. Okay, now change. Here minus was there, so you will make it plus 10x square. Here plus 16x is there. Why? Due to this minus sign. Due to this minus sign, all the internal sign will be changed. Plus 16 minus 16x minus 15 plus 15 will become. Now write the first thing, bracket, minus 6x square plus 19x or plus 19. Okay, now what you will do? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Okay, now see that what are like terms? Minus 6x square and here minus 10x plus 10x square was there, na? So plus 10x x square plus 19x minus 16x plus 19. Now I am hoping that everybody of you have understood to collect how to collect the like terms, or plus 15. Now see that two opposite sign number are subtracted. Subtract 10 minus 6 beta 4. Greater number having what sign? Plus 4. 4x square. Here two opposite sign number are subtracted. So 19 minus 16 beta 3. Greater number having what sign? Plus. So plus 3x. And here both of them having plus sign, so you can add them. 9 plus 5 14. Okay, 1 carry 34 plus 34. So this will be your answer. Here beta, this is H part. Here due to this minus sign, what you will do? Change the internal sign of second bracket. Change internal sign of second bracket. Okay, now change this plus 9x to the power 7 will become minus 9x to the power 7. This minus 11x become plus 11x and minus 17. And now which one? 17x to the power 5 plus 19x square or plus 15. Okay, now what you will do? Collect like terms. What you will do beta? Collect like terms. Okay, so collect like terms now. See that whether like terms are there or not. Maybe no like term is there. This is minus 9x to the power 7, so write it in first position. Minus 9x to the power 7, because this is highest power. After that what is second number? It will come. Plus 17x to the power 5. Then plus 19x square. Plus 19x square. Because no like terms are there. Or plus 11x. So arrange the power in a descending order. Okay, arrange the power in descending order. Then plus 15 and minus 17. Only these two like terms are there because they are constant. So they can be added or subtracted. So two opposite sign number are subtracted. So 17 minus 15 beta 2. What the greater number having what sign? Minus. So it will be minus 2 and rest of the things will be same. 9x to the power 7 plus 17x to the power 5 plus 19x square or plus 11x. So this will be your answer. So how much simply you can do? If you will see the video very carefully now, easily you can understand. So see more and more time so that you can understand the topic beta. Okay, now I part of this question. See that beta, this question you will do in your homework. Here minus sign is there. So in first step you will change the internal sign of this bracket. So what it will become? Plus 7x to the power 6 minus 7x to the power 5 plus 20x cube and plus 4x square. And there will be no change in this. So you will write them in the first position. So only one common term is x to the power 6 and x to the power 5. So you will write them together, and if rest of the terms means along these two terms, if no common term is there, so they will come in the same way, and then do addition and subtraction, and in this way you will complete this I part. And then from J part we will discuss in the next class. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you beta.